Safety guards as well as safety light curtains protect the access and exit of the pallets. For the time it takes for the pallets to access and exit the hazardous area, the safety function is suppressed. Muting function. Muting sensors type 05 as retroreflective sensors detect the pallets briefly before the passage. The light guards and muting sensors are connected to the electronic safety relay G2001S. If both muting sensors are activated by the pallet, the relay does not switch off when the pallet passes. After the pallet has passed, the light guard is fully operative again.